What's up, guys? Mr. Alan C. checking out the Moby 1 spider-themed RC car that does tricks. Let's check it out. All right, we got the unit out of the box, and I gotta say, this thing is looking stunning. So we have the RC itself right here, remote control, 2 rechargeable batteries, and the charger, and a small Phillips screwdriver for the battery doors, and the user manual as well. All right, we'll hit the power switch right here. Whoa, and look at this lighting up. How incredible is this? How to get on top of the punching bag? It is out of here. Let's do the spinning spin. How cool is that? Take a look, folks. One push of a button. Left or right. And then you can drive forward and backward. Very durable. This bad boy's fast. What is that, Goosey girl? That is one nice ride. That's what that is. I'm Mr. Alan C. I'll see you next time. Thanks for checking it out. Bye-bye.